So Igbo is wonderful people that I have never seen on earth. If I come back in another world, I will still be an Igbo man. So you can't take me. Ade kuchiafi maka nwanne. That's all. Na-ekwu nwanne a ọ n'ụlọ onye Igbo ka mbụ. Nwanne ezi no blood. The problem nowhere but una adigo carried away by forming, claiming. That's why my son now so Igbo na Igbo. So we ba na akuzi in school, chi eji na rekwago. When Igbo na so Igbo na Igbo. I said, Daddy, please come out here and say, car. Mwata get back. Igbo amaka. Akwi Igbo. Igbo amaka. Nsogbu enwe n'enu ụwa bụ Igbo. Because they don't want to give them their own position. That is why obodo adịbe mma. Onye ọbụla chọọ inwe peace na alapụ anyị. Whether you like it or not, the truth must be said. We must be free, that's all. Everybody are not at peace because there's a people that are not at peace. And these are the people that make the world what the world is all about today. Is Igbo people. So, as an Igbo person, appreciate yourself. I'm telling you. The people that can go to another people's land without anything became richer than the people that own that city. They left their own state, their own village, without any kobo. Went to another people's land, became multi-billionaires. Go to the whole world. If you the whole world, there is no place and let's be specific and be truth. The problem we have is because we don't know our quality. If we know our quality, then we know that we are nation. That's all. If you take me to overseas, I'm running back to. Oh, a lot of country want me to come. Come. Yee, sinekwana anya onye Igbo. One pia wagodo. So an Igbo man is a creator. I'm telling you. Igbo man is a god. Igbo man is a god. Igbo man is a god. Igbo man can conquer a state nyefuche. Discover nyefuche one okifulu ime ofia aketa olo a state bido wabi and mother abia bibeba an Igbo man this even da aketa enwere ifefa ji akpolo swamp. Go to Lagos now. All the place swamp niile dị na Lagos bụ ndị Igbo wushi ya lobia estate. Go there. They are the people. Ka onwe ye eziokwu ka they were saying the truth. One no not to know. That is why until they release these people, peace will be. Because the destiny of the whole world lies in their hands. You can't envy an Igbo man. Igbo man is a god. You can't envy him. There's a God that governs them. A person that can enter the city without know anybody. Travel to overseas. Sleeping to the bridge or sleeping somewhere suddenly in the scene that overseas don't know anybody, became a god, become multi in the same country. A country is sneak in. Suddenly the country will start to respect him. The person is a god. It's only God that can break law. It's only God can break law. So Igbo man break law in any country where you go. So appreciate yourself. I can go on and say, open a my bello, Mumbio was my born America. One name Mwetage ya bonye America mpiawaga azu. Onye Igbo ka ị ga-abụ. Si onye ananga abụ onye Igbo. Onwe ndị na-ebe akịta na-eno onwe anya na wa onye Igbo kwa. Nwanne onye Igbo ka ị ga-abụ. Ejo nwere spiritual kpochighị agha azụ. Igbo a ị ga-anwụ na Igbo a nwanne.